Hello everyone, Pritika this side from Butternut AI, and in this video I will show you how you can add your own logo and branding across the website that you have built using Butternut AI. Just a review, Butternut AI is a generated AI platform where you can create your websites in under 20 seconds, and customizing it is super easy. So let me show you how you can add your logo. So this is the place where you'll add your logo. You can just click on the edit icon and you can pick a file. So I don't want to show my name because I'll be adding my logo. So I'll my file. I can also upload, my favicon icon, and this is created. Now I don't like the size of it, so I can reduce it, I can increase it size. So I'll go with it and apply the changes. This is how you can add your logo. Now let me show you how you can add your branding, sorry, how you can edit the entire website as per your brand colors. So you can click on this change theme. All the options that are on the header, they will change. They will enable the global settings for the website. Like if I want to enable dark mode for the website, or if I want to maybe change the color to black, even the theme colors and everything, it will change to that. So that's one option, but I'll stick to what I had. So, and then you can also change the fonts. So these are the title fonts, these are the text fonts. You can change those things, and you can also increase or decrease the size of the fonts to match your brand aesthetics. So for me, this looks good. So I can just apply, and you will see those changes applied to the entire website in just a few seconds. So this is how you can edit the entire, you can add your own branding or your own brand guidelines to the entire website.